Nice job, B.
Yeah, great outing from Beaver here. Hitting that batter there is going to issue him an extra free pass, but 3+ innings, only scattering the 2 hits across, didn't give up a run. Striking out 6, so that sidearm delivery giving fits to this Griffins offense. And now he'll give way to the freshman in Tyler Katz.
Yeah, Tyler Katz has appeared in 7 games, started one of those. He's gone 7 2/3 innings, hasn't given up an earned run. He has walked 5 and struck out 7.
Yeah, and he does it really with just a 2-pitch mix. Occasionally throws in that slider, but mostly fastball and curveball for the freshman, who has been, once again, didn't get any harder for righties to hit. Once again, so difficult. Pitching to an opponent batting average from righties of .091. So Katz is definitely one of the best arms in this bullpen against the right-handed bat. And he's been flawless with runners on, getting out of any kind of jam he gets out of the bullpen.
Well, he will inherit a runner. That will be DeCarlo. That runner still charged to Beaver. We'll have Neal, Belfus, and Wisman, the 3 due up. Neal reached on an error in the 2nd and singled in the 3rd and walked in the 5th. Might possibly see a bunt out of him here to get that runner into scoring position.
Yeah, this is always the toughest decision for a manager of a ball club, is what do you do in this spot? You want to move that runner into scoring position, but you're not down 1, you're actually down 2. So what is the game plan?
Well, he skies that one to Morris in right field, and 1 pitch, 1 out for Katz.
Now up first base, number 22, Brady Belfus.
Hey, Cat.
Belfus now steps in. He's struck out twice today and popped up to Carbone at first. Beautiful pitch there by Katz. Gets ahead in the count.
Hey, Cat.
The 0-1 misses outside. Tried to get that curveball to catch part of the zone. Unable to do so. Nice pitch there. He had Belfus fishing for that one.
Hey, Cat, say now, don't change much. Knock it down, Mick. Knock it down.
The 1-2 by Katz. That one misses outside.
Nice job, Mickey. Hey, Cat, say now.
So count even at 2. DeCarlo on at first, 1 out. The 2-2 delivery. That one is in the gap. Are they going to send DeCarlo? Yes, they are. The throw to the plate. Not in time. A double by Belfus.
And that one shot into the left center field gap, and coming around all the way from first is Jimmy DeCarlo, the big fella getting things moving on the bases. And that one, just a throw from where, just a bit too much air underneath it. It took a while to get to Haynes. It was almost like he was an outfielder waiting for a fly ball to drop. And he was just waiting, and that half a second that it took, instead of having maybe the one bounce in, especially on a turf field that's easy to read what way the ball is going to bounce for Haynes, that extra half a second was what allowed DiCarlo to slide in there safely, and quite hyped up, I should add as well.
It'll be Carl Wisman now with an opportunity to tie this game with Belfast on a second. They're checking on him, making sure he's all right. Looks like he might have hurt himself sliding in to second base. He looks to be running okay. Wisman singled last time up. And they're going to take Belfast out of the game.
Well, all the attention was given right to the play at the plate, that everyone was wondering what happened when they see that Belfast is up and hobbling. He actually comes off of the field on his own power, even jogging. But there's something potentially bothering the first baseman for Gwynedd Mercy, but that also could be Belfast isn't so much of the base running threat, maybe trying to opt into go with the speedier runners. You see Chris Nodland coming on.
So with Nodland now in scoring position, Wisman with an opportunity to tie this game. Wisman swung on a miss, and he's now behind 0-2. The 0-2 to Wisman misses low.
There you go, Mickey. There you go, Mick. Hey, Cat, say now.
The 1-2 to Wisman, swung on and missed. As Cats doing a good job here. Ryan Schultz now trying to plate this run. It's going to be a pinch hitter.
John Semino coming on now. Semino has only 5 at-bats this year, but 3 hits, so.
Going with the hot hand.
For all intents and purposes, he can say that he bats 600.
Hey, Cat. Hey, knock it down, infield, knock it down.
He takes the first pitch for a ball, trying to get Nodland in from second. Curveball, beautiful placement on that one by Cats.
Knock it down, infield, knock it down.
Semino was a transfer from Rowan College of South Jersey. One count. And nice curveball had Semino guessing. So 1-2 count, 2 outs. Can Cats strand that runner in scoring position? That one flied out to Ruiz in center. And Cats works out of that one. Only allowing 1, but that run not charged to him. So it's 7th inning stretch time here at Donnie Williams. We'll take a short break and we'll be back